Akhilesh government has done it once again. Now the state's transport minister Durga Prasad Yadav has reportedly taken off for Brazil along with his family to study Brazil's transport system. Despite furor over Akhilesh's earlier foreign junket to the Netherlands, this year the shameless Samajwadi Party government has yet again used the taxpayers' money for a sham study tour. The minister and his family will also be visiting Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro during the week-long tour, which is sponsored by the state. Pranchu joining us for more on that. Pranchu, what exactly is the justification by this leader for going to Brazil, and that too with his family? What sort of a study tour is this?
Clearly there can't be any justification for the minister's daughter and son-in-law accompanying him. Initially, this trip was planned for 4 people, that is 3 officials of the transport ministry and of course the minister himself. And the basic reason why this tour was conducted was that the government felt that by studying the transport infrastructure in the major cities like Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo, the state government would benefit from the infrastructure facilities there, and also the use of information technology as far as the maintenance of transport facilities in these mega cities are concerned. So clearly that was the declared purpose, but shockingly the minister has been accompanied by not just his daughter and the son-in-law, but also his private secretary, who has of course no expertise or knowledge on this issue. The other people who are accompanying him are the managing director of the UP State Road Transport Corporation, some other senior officials. In all, instead of 4 people, at least 7 to 8 people are said to be accompanying along with the minister, and the sources also say that all these people have availed business class travel to Rio de Janeiro. So clearly, it's a shocking case of waste of public money, and clearly a burden on the state exchequer. The minister and his entire trip is scheduled to return back on 9th of this month.
विजय बहादुर पाठक जी, आपको क्या लगता है? जी,
उत्तर प्रदेश में एक परंपरा पड़ गई है मंत्रियों का विदेश दौरे जाना, मुख्यमंत्री का विदेश दौरे पर जाना और दौरों को परिवार सहित जाना। मेरी जानकारी के अनुसार भी इस टूर में 3 से 4 लोगों को जाना था, पर 7 लोगों के टूर है, पर मंत्री जी के परिजन भी गए हैं। यह पुष्ट नहीं हो रहा है कि उनके जो किराए हैं उन्होंने अपनी जेब से दिए हैं कि सरकार से दिए हैं। वैसे आजकल RTI का जमाना है, इसका भी खुलासा हो जाएगा। लेकिन जिस तरह से बिजनेस क्लास में यात्रा हुई है और उस यात्रा के तथ्य हैं, उसमें कहीं न कहीं अखिलेश सरकार पर यह सवाल खड़ा होता है कि जो मंत्री दौरे पर जा रहे हैं, मुख्यमंत्री दौरे पर जा रहे हैं, उसके बाद उत्तर प्रदेश के स्टेट के लिए वो कितना फ्रूटफुल हो रहा है, ये जरूर है। इसके पहले मुख्यमंत्री जी भी गए थे, साइकिल ट्रैक से लेकर बाकी नीदरलैंड तक के दौरों को आपने दिखाया। लेकिन समाजवादी पार्टी के लोग आपके चैनल की आलोचना करना, कटघरे में खड़ा करना, सवाल खड़े करने पर तो ठीक है, लेकिन जो वो कर रहे हैं, अगर वो सवाल उठते हैं तो उस पर जवाब तो देना पड़ेगा उनको।
Rita Bahuguna Joshi, leader of the Congress party from Uttar Pradesh, now with us. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, how do you respond to this? Durga Prasad Yadav off to Brazil. He is the state transport minister, but he's being accompanied by his family members. We don't really know who's really funding it at the moment as far as his own family is concerned, but this is a study tour.
Well, I understand that he's gone with his family. If it's a private tour in which the family is being supported by his own self or with his own money, it's okay. But if the family is being sponsored by some agency, which is a semi-government or a government agency, or even a private agency, then I think it's very wrong, because with such a lot of media glare and so much of public criticism in the past of politicians going out on trips like these with their families, I think it should have been avoided, but I do not really know the facts. But if it is sponsored by some semi-government or government organization, then I think it's absolutely wrong.